Statistical treatment of data is important in thesis writing in order to make use of the data in the right form. Raw data collection is only one aspect of any experiment. The process includes statistical analysis using Microsoft Excel, mean and standard deviation. The term statistical treatment means applying a statistical method to a data set to draw meaning from it. Statistical treatment can be either descriptive statistics, which describes the relationship between variables in a population, or inferential statistics, which tests a hypothesis by making inferences from the collected data. After looking at the distribution of data, and perhaps conducting some descriptive statistics to find out the mean, median, or mode, it is time to make some inferences about the data. Mean, median, and mode are three kinds of averages. There are many averages in statistics, but these are the three most common. The mean is the average you're used to, where you add up all the numbers, and then divide by the number of numbers. The median is the middle value in the list of numbers. To find the median, your numbers have to be listed in numerical order from smallest to largest, so you may have to rewrite your list before you can find the median. The mode is the value that occurs most often. If no number in the list is repeated, then there is no mode for the list. Treatments are divided into two groups: descriptive statistics, which summarize your data as a graph or summary statistic, and inferential statistics, which make predictions and test hypotheses about your data. Why do we need statistical treatment of data? First, statistics helps in providing a better understanding and exact description of a phenomenon of nature. Second, statistics helps in the proper and efficient planning of a statistical inquiry in any field of study. Third, statistics helps in collecting appropriate quantitative data. Statistical treatment of data greatly depends on the kind of experiment and the desired result from the experiment. For example, in a survey regarding the election of a president, parameters like age, gender, and occupation would be important in influencing the person's decision to vote for a particular candidate. In order to interpret the key results for descriptive statistics, you need to describe the size of your sample, describe the center of your data, describe the spread of your data, assess the shape and spread of your data distribution. For more video tutorials on how to write a thesis, click the link below. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more video tutorials.